death. I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been prancing and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Leave me treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch out you talking and where you walking. Oh, you and your homies might be lying and chalk. I really hate the trick, but I gotta low. As they cope, I see myself in the pits of smoke. For who? I'm the kind of jingle little homies wanna be like.